Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited gems on the MeChat. So this is 2025 approved. So let me just open it up right here and show you guys. So as you can see, I am pretty poor, but in the MeChat mod, we can actually enable unlimited gems. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for iOS and Android just to show you guys that it actually works. So there we go, guys. Let's see if it goes up. So currently I've got 2,470. So let's see if we get a increase or not. And maybe it could happen. So let's see if we get an increase and then we're going to be all set. So let's see what happens and nothing. Oh my gosh, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this MeChat mod for your device so you can have unlimited gems for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. So first thing we're going to do is go to tweakmod.com, modded website, and just type in MeChat. So once it comes up, guys, you just want to press install, and before it downloads the mod there is going to be a verification you got to do. So basically you have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions, but it's 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, it shouldn't take that long. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. Totally works. So if you play MeChat, you know it's all about being broke, but they are not going to let us win. We have the MeChat mod here today so we can have unlimited gems for free. So I'm just going to wait for this to load here, as you can see. So let's just give it a second to load up. So basically we just got to download some of these. So you can see it's like Travel Town Reach Level 9, TikTok. So you just press on it, it'll bring you to the store, and just make sure you do 2 of them. It doesn't have to be the same ones I'm doing, but as long as you read what it says, you should be good to go. And there is a video to watch if you're confused. So that is how I get the MeChat mod with unlimited gems. Super insane, guys. Totally works. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, and get the word out because this is so crazy, bro.